Alright, so adjust my camera a bit here. Cool. We've got two Bic lighters and neither of them function currently. This one won't spark, but it's got fluid. This one will spark, but there's no fluid. See? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the flint out of this one, the blue one, and put it into the one with the awesome wrap on it, because it's one of my favorites. But in order to do that, well, gotta take this off. And I'm going to show you how to do that with just a screwdriver. This is a 3/32 screwdriver out of one of those small, like, electronic repair kits. What you do is you take it up under here. Nope, here. Pry it out just a little. Little wiggle, kind of have to fight with it if you don't want to break it. And that's kind of the goal for the other one more so, but... Oh, come on, it worked earlier. Once you get one side to pop, it'll lift right on out. Oh, or, you know, in this case, since I've already taken it apart, you can just pry the wheel out. Guess that works too. Not really keeping that in the frame too well. Sorry about that. You gotta be careful here because you don't want to lose the flint. It was proving to be more of a task than it was earlier. I've only done this once, so. Alright, got that out all the way. Put your finger over the top so the flint doesn't shoot off, and voila. There's the flint, there's the spring, hopefully we don't need that part. And I kind of just pried that out very roughly. I'm going to try not to do that with the other one. Let's see. It's just a very thin wrap. So if you can get just right up under... Ah, there it is. Up at the top corner. Let's see if we can get the camera to focus here. Come on, focus. Focus. Almost had it. Boom. Haha. Focal point. No, it doesn't want it. Anyway. Just a little bit of a lip on it out here. And you kind of very gently pry the other side in the same fashion. There we go. Now this slides right off. You have to take out the safety mechanism here, which, there you go. Kind of just press, pull this way, and wiggle, and it'll pop right out. Now this part, again, you want to be kind of gentle with it, because you don't want to lose something here. That side. Put my thumb over it so it doesn't go flying. Go. Pull that out. Oh, alright. So, looks like the problem actually wasn't even the lack of flint, or usable flint. Looks like the wheel was just gummed up, which that can be washed later. I am still going to put the new flint, or the transplant flint, in. Oh, this part takes a lot of patience. So what I do is I'll just press it right on top of the spring here, if I can get it. Gotta compress the spring. Oh. There we go, down inside, and now back to the screwdriver. Use that to press and hold. Oh, yep, that's where the patience comes in. Goodness. Well, once you get it in and held down with the screwdriver, you hold it flat this way so you can edge the wheel in, but also not launch your spring like that. Where'd it go? Well, I'll take a transplant spring too. So transplant the spring, transplant the flint. You know, this is not the way I pictured this tutorial going. I kind of figured it would be smooth sailing. I'd get it in one shot, total like BA status, but no. Anyway, it's fine. Still gonna see it through to the end. Voila. Alright. Oh, screwdriver time. So make sure you've got a good grip on that before you go to put the wheel in. Because otherwise you may run into technical difficulties. Now once you have one side locked in, like that, you can move the screwdriver. Oh, hey, when you move the screwdriver, sometimes it'll slip right into place. I happen to have this nifty little groove here that kind of guided it in. I don't know if you can see that. No, camera's not wanting to focus right. So give it a quick test. Boom. Now I'm gonna put the windscreen back on it. I am, however, leaving my safety off because I don't like them. They bother my fingers. But you should be able to just slide this right over the tops, kind of line it up and let it go. A little bit of finagling back and forth. Got one side to snap in, and just work the other side, rock it, and boom, done. Looks like new. And voila, it works. So yeah, have a little bit of patience with this project if you decide to take it on yourself, and enjoy.